Google just changed the game. Quietly merged Notebook LM into Gemini. Nobody's talking about it. This one update could save you hours every single week. Stay till the end. I'll show you the exact workflow to use it right now. Okay, let's get into it. Google just did something massive, and they barely announced it. They took Notebook LM, one of the best AI research tools on the planet, and they built it directly into Gemini. There is now a section called Notebooks sitting right inside the Gemini app. And this is not a small update. This changes how you do research, how you create content, how you manage entire projects with AI. If you use AI to build a business, grow a brand, or create content, you need to understand this right now. I'm going to break down exactly what changed, why it matters, and then show you a real workflow so you can see how to use this in your own business today. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Here is what Google did. Gemini now has a notebook section in the left sidebar. You click it, you create a new notebook, and you can load it up with up to 100 sources. We are talking PDFs, web pages, Google Drive files, your own notes, links, documents, anything. And then Gemini uses all of that as its brain when you ask it questions or ask it to create content. Before this update, Gemini was smart, but it had no memory of your projects. Every time you opened a new chat, you were starting from zero. You had to copy and paste your context every single time. You had to re-explain what your business was. You had to re-upload your documents. It was slow and painful. But with notebooks, that is completely gone. Your project lives inside a notebook. Gemini knows your context. You can pick up exactly where you left off every single time. This is the thing that changes everything. It is not just a research tool. It is a project-level AI brain that remembers everything and works with you across your entire content and business workflow. Quick break. If you want to learn how to set up AI systems like this one inside your own business, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. It is our private community for entrepreneurs and creators who are serious about using AI automation to save time, scale faster, and work smarter. We break down the exact tools, the workflows, the prompts, and the systems you need. Theory. Real stuff you can use today. Link is in the description. Check it out and I will see you inside. Let me give you the real picture of why this is such a big deal. Think about how you currently do research for your business. You probably have 10 tabs open. You are jumping between Google Docs, browser windows, notes apps, and downloaded PDFs. You find a great article, you copy a bit of it, you paste it somewhere, and then 2 days later you cannot find where you put it. Sound familiar? That is the old way. That is the painful, slow, chaotic way that most people are still using right now. With Gemini notebooks, you have one place. You build a notebook for each project or topic. You load your sources into it. And then Gemini can search, summarize, compare, and create content based only on what is inside that notebook. Hallucinations from random internet stuff. Getting distracted by things outside your project. Just clean, focused AI output based on your exact sources. This is massive for creators. This is massive for agency owners. This is massive for anyone running a business that needs to produce content, research tools, or manage information at scale. Let me show you exactly how I would use this for the AI Profit Boardroom right now. This is a real example you can copy directly. So I would open Gemini, go to Notebooks, and create a new notebook called AI Automation Content Hub for the AI Profit Boardroom. And I would load it up with sources. Would add the AI Profit Boardroom community overview document so Gemini knows exactly what the community is about, who it is for, and what problems it solves. Would add a few of the best articles about AI automation tools that we cover in the community. Would add some member feedback and comments to give Gemini an understanding of what questions people are asking. And I would add some of our top performing content so Gemini can learn the voice and style. My notebook is loaded. I have an AI brain that knows the AI Profit Boardroom inside out. Here is where the magic happens. You can ask Gemini something like this. Based on the sources in this notebook, write 10 YouTube video ideas about AI automation that would be perfect for the AI Profit Boardroom audience, with a punchy hook for each one. Gemini does not go off and guess. It pulls directly from the material I loaded. The ideas are relevant, are on brand, are based on real content, not made up nonsense. And I can follow that up and say, take the best 3 ideas and write a short content brief for each one, including the key points to cover and a suggested call to action for the AI Profit Boardroom. In about 2 minutes, I have a week's worth of content direction, fully aligned with our brand, ready to hand off to a writer or script into a video. Imagine this prompt. Based on everything in this notebook, write a comparison of the top 5 AI automation tools for entrepreneurs, showing which ones would work best for members of the AI Profit Boardroom and why. Gemini pulls from the sources, gives you a clean comparison, and you have a piece of content that is genuinely useful for your audience rather than generic fluff. This is the kind of output that used to take hours of research and writing. Now it takes minutes. And the quality is better because it is based on real sources you chose, not random stuff from the internet. Here is the simple system I recommend you set up today. Create one notebook per project or content category. If you run a YouTube channel, have a notebook for your channel research. If you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, have a notebook for community content. If you are launching a product, have a notebook for that launch. Inside each notebook, keep 3 types of sources. It's your research materials. That means articles, tool documentation, competitor content, anything you are learning from. Your own brand assets. That means your about page, your offer description, your best performing content, your community overview. Your audience intelligence. That means comments, questions, feedback, anything that tells you what your audience actually wants to know. Once your notebook is set up like that, you can run prompts that would take a human researcher hours to complete. You can generate content plans, write scripts, build comparison tables, draft email sequences, all scoped specifically to your brand and your audience. This is a genuine superpower for anyone building a business with content. I want to be straight with you because I always will be. This feature is rolling out gradually. Some of you watching this right now might not see the notebook section in your Gemini app yet. Google is doing a phased rollout, so just keep checking back over the next few weeks. So the best version of this, the one with the highest source limits and the most powerful model underneath, is currently tied to Gemini AI Pro and Ultra plans, as well as Google Workspace Business and Enterprise. If you are on the free tier, you may have more limited access. One more thing worth knowing, your notebooks can read your connected Google files. So if you are working with sensitive business data, just be mindful of what you are loading in. That is just common sense with any AI tool. So let us recap. Google just merged Notebook LM into Gemini with a new Notebooks feature. You can now load up to 100 sources into a project notebook and give Gemini a permanent memory of your project. It means no more starting from scratch, no more scattered research, and no more slow, painful content workflows. You have one AI brain per project that knows your context and helps you create faster than ever before. If you want to go deeper on this and learn how to build full AI automation systems around tools like this, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. It is our private community where we go beyond the news and actually build the systems, the workflows, and the SOPs that help entrepreneurs grow with AI. Every week, we cover new tools, new automations, and new strategies you can plug straight into your business. Link is in the description. Come join us. And if you want to start for free, join the AI Success Lab. It is our free community of over 67,000 members who are all using AI to work smarter and grow faster. You will get the full video notes from this video, access to 100 plus AI use cases, SOPs, templates, and a community of people who are actually doing this stuff in their businesses every day. Links are in the comments and the description. Grab your spot now. We'll see you in the next one.